Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. And this week,
Hey, Ty. Hey, Ty.
What?
Hey,
What?
Ty.
Yeah, what?
No.
Daggone it, Eddie, we were trying to be positive. Positive. And
You were trying to be positive.
You just had a
I
bunch
love living in the negative.
You just had a bunch of negative ideas that have infiltrated our 5 Minute Fridays. Like the past 4 weeks now, it's just been negative.
Just because
Negative.
the title says no doesn't mean that it has to be negative.
Parasites, like barricades.
These have
like,
been good things.
Oh, have they?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
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 That's exactly right. This week, we talk about another obvious thing that you probably already knew. These are reminders, y'all, just in case you were wondering.
We're not trying to be amazing thought leaders here. We realize we are not.
No, this is like, all right, this is a reminder. This is one of those things like, let me bring this back up to the top for you.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Remember this? Oh, yeah, I remember that. Maybe I need to kind of look at that again. That's what these are about.
Mm-hmm.
Your no's are more important than your yeses.
Yeah. Yeah. I will say this. Running a business has taught me that more than any other thing. More than any other thing. There are a lot of people that are asking for time from me, and I've had to be very careful with how many yeses I say. I have to be very religious with my no's. I told Sam a couple weeks ago, I was like, we're getting ready to go through a season of no. We've said too much. Yes. Like we've said yes way too much. And I'm not just talking about work. I'm talking about life in general. Like we have just said yes to a lot of different things. And so she and I both are we're feeling the strain of that. And so sometimes going through a season of no is just like, no, listen, I'm sorry, but I can't do that for you. I can't. And it's not being a jerk. It's literally just controlling like your bandwidth, man. Sometimes you're going to get burned out and you're going to get bitter and you're going to get mad at a bunch of people for no flipping reason. And it's because you've just said a bunch of yeses. It's not their fault. It's not their fault for asking. It's your fault for saying yes. So I don't know. I am passionate about saying no to a lot of things. So it is a good topic. And it does feel negative, but it's honestly a positive thing because it prevents you from going stir crazy and losing your mind.
Well, let me pull you out a little bit and pick at you some. But like, how does it make you feel when you say a good no? Like a no where you are asked to do something, you are like kind of maybe thinking, I know what I want to answer, but I'm going to feel like a jerk if I answer that, or maybe the other person's going to feel bad. Like there's some just relational stuff.
There's relief whenever I say no. It's just pure relief. I mean, it can be a little bit like intimidating at first because you don't want to let somebody down.
Yeah.
Especially somebody that you're like close with, that you're friends with. You don't want to let them down.
Yeah.
But they're necessary.
Yep.
They're necessary for you to maintain a good friendship, a good relationship. Is sometimes you do have to say no. What's funny is that if you don't say no to some things, you actually get bitter at people.
Yeah.
Because they're asking you, but you always say yes.
Yeah,
And
better a solid no than this begrudging yes that's going to make you
that you're going to be ticked off the entire time that you're doing the thing.
Yeah.
It's kind of like taking projects, right?
Oh, yes.
No is the most powerful word in construction. And it's not a mean no. It's a no, I can't take on that job. It's a realization of, all right, yeah, I may lose out on some revenue, but what else am I losing out on? I'm losing out on quality of the other projects that I have committed myself to, and like a bunch of other things. No is the most powerful word in construction in life. And I think it's a positive thing. It doesn't need to be a negative thing.
We've talked somewhat recently about being a good picker.
Oh,
and
yeah.
It's right in that same seam.
Bob Goff he talked about that being a good picker, right?
Yeah. I mean, that was such a good point. And I struggle with this. I really do have a hard time saying no to things. I don't like saying no to things. I like being nice.
Nobody does.
I see niceness as, just constantly going along. And that's my people-pleasing ways that I try my best to push back against. It's liberating. It's relieving when you say a good, solid no to something that you should. Some of the best things I've done managerially or in a leadership role have been associated with no's I've said. So I just want you, the audience, to hear this. And I just want you to monitor your opportunities. I mean, like, life is short, time is precious, and you should treat it as such. So you've only got that many hours in the day. And if you say too many yeses, you're losing that time. That's a precious resource. So don't do that to yourself. Don't put yourself in that place where you're going to be angsty and angry about the yeses you said. You need to be honest with yourself and others and say no when no needs to be said.
For sure. Well, guys, hopefully that's a healthy reminder for you this week. And it's not, I don't view that as a negative thing. I view that as a very positive thing, because it's freeing up your time to go do things that are more important, right? And also it's maintaining relationships as well. Just making sure that you don't become bitter unintentionally. I think those are really solid things and really positive things to talk about. So
absolutely,
don't look no as a negative. Hey, look at that. It was actually pretty positive this week.
Yeah.
Look at that. We turned it. We did the thing. All right, guys. Well, hey, if you got any comments on no, and don't say no to this. This you can't say no to.
Oof.
Just kidding. You can say no to it. But we would really like to hear your thoughts on this topic, or on any other topic that we've talked about recently in the podcast, all right? If you got any questions or things that you want to bring to us, please bring them to us. We would love to hear them. You can contact us at 512-THE-BROS. Just call us at 512-THE-BROS, and you can leave a voicemail there. And just let us know what you think. All right, guys, go build something awesome.